Hi, welcome again to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of maintenance to do in your machine. A critical part for your machine to be operating full time is to have your cooling system nice and clean. To clean your cooling unit, you simply have to access the intake of the cooling unit. You can do so by lifting this lip, and then you are able to brush out whatever dust that is accumulated at this point. Once it's nice and clean, you can just close it, secure it, and that's it.